Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Fond du Lac County in east-central Wisconsin, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Cambria, or 7 miles northwest of Beaver Dam, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Watertown, Beaver Dam, Hartford, Walpen, Mayville, Columbus, Horicon, Juneau, Lomira, Fall River, Theresa, Hustisford, Oakfield, Iron Ridge, Brandon, Burnett, Ashevon, Rubicon, Ashford, and Lebanon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. This storm is likely producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.